Very good morning, class. This is Gurmeet Kalra, your English teacher. Today I am going to explain you chapter 2, Robin's computer. As some of the students already know that I have already explained this chapter in web class, as I always explain chapter firstly in online web class, then I will upload the video of the chapters. Some of the students are properly using the web class or attending the web class, but some of the students are not even attend a class. I request you all to attend the web class because it is very important, because in web class I explain the chapter as well as the exercise, by which you immediately or by which on spot you will ask your doubts. So it is good to take the online class, online web class. So I request all who's watching my video that please attend each and every web class properly to get more understanding of the chapters. So class, today I am going to begin a chapter, Robin's computer. It is very interesting and knowledgeable story about a computer. All you know what is computer. If someone doesn't know, then I am explaining firstly what is computer. Computer is an electronic machine like this. See, computer is an electronic machine. It has 4 and 5 parts. One is monitor. There is a 2 eyes, that is a monitor, screen monitor, which help us to see what we are searching or what we are doing. This is CPU, which help to internally operate the computer. This is keypad, by which we can type or we can mention things in the computer. This is mouse. With the help of that mouse we can click anywhere through the cursor. Okay, that much part is sufficient for your class. I request you all to learn computer, as we know that computer is your subject also. So in the weekend time, understand the computer and learn computer also. Computer is an electronic machine which help you to know each and every knowledge about every field. Like if you want to search the atlas, or if you want to search the map, if you want to know your queries, like why the sky is green, why these all things. So if you have any questions, computer will give your every question without arguing or without laughing. If you are asking questions from your friends, from your elders, some pupils will laugh on you to know your stupidity, but computer will never mind or never comment or never stop answering. Computer will always help you to know every sentences. So start the chapter now. I am Robin's computer. See, the boy standing near the computer is Robin. I beg life at Robin's uncle house in Muscat 3 years ago. Robin came visit from Mumbai last year and uncle gave me away as a present of him. Means a computer. Uncle gave him Robin to computer. Robin learned operating me from uncle. He taught, so his uncle taught him to switch me on. He showed him the key. See, here is key, the keyboard, the monitor, as I already explained you, the monitor and the mouse. He told him about the computer of CPU, the importance of the CPU. He ever taught him how to use the printer. See, printer is not here, but printer help computer to print soft copies in the hard copies. It means soft copies like whatever visualize in the screen is soft copy, and hard copy is that some papers, some printed things in a paper, that is a hard copy. So computer have to convert things in convert documents in hard copy, means printer help. And look for a website means by which you can search each and everything. Like there are so many websites, even millions of websites are there nowadays. Robin is an excellent young lad. Soon I found him clicking the mouse like a experienced operator. See, after some days, if you have an interest, you will soon get the computer, and you will soon to start operating like a smart person or experienced person. As same, the Robin is using a mouse like a experienced operator. He accessed website to find information on the internet by www. What do you know what is the meaning of www? It's World Wide Web. See, accessed means opening. Soon he is starting opening the website to find the information. That's how he came to know the Peel and the great football star was a brilliant, and the only sound a stroke makes a grunt. The dragon is a sea and is known as a sea cow. That all things he have a query about all things. He searched in the website and he cleared his query. In the family house in Mumbai, I have been placed in a drawing room. Means a computer is placed. I have been placed means a computer is placed in a drawing room on a large table. With drawers and shelf. See, in that picture you can see here is a drawing room, and in which here is a table and computer is placed on a table, and some shelf are also there, and the person sitting near to computer is Robin. I soon discovered the Robin was showing me off and his friends who came over the weekends. It's a gift for my uncle. Then after a few days or after some days, Robin showing his computer to his friends, which was gifted by Robin's uncle. It's the latest model of Pentium. I did feel proud when I heard that even Robin's mother has started using me. After some time, Robin's mother was also starting using the computer. See, if you learn, you can teach your mother, your sister, younger sister, your father about the computer. But before teaching, you have to learn the computer firstly. The other days, she went some fish recipe and looked on to seafoodrecipe.com. See, after a few days, mother wants some recipes, some new recipe, and she was looking on a website of seafoodrecipe.com, and he gets some fish recipes. Robin's elder sister has lost his atlas. Do you know what is atlas? Atlas means a book of map in which there is all kind of maps, political maps, or other maps, some countries maps, states maps, cities maps, all maps are present in a atlas. She had to complete a geography project for the next day. Robin helped her out. He find out concrete.com where his Delight sister could locate almost any place on earth. It means Robin helped her to find the map or complete the geography project to his elder sister. When Robin's father, Mr. Mehta, wanted to know how many rupees make a Greek drachma, he went to the catayardpc.com that not all before leaving from Germany on a trip. He wanted to know the meaning of some Germany words stamped on his visa. See, his father wanted to go to Germany trip and he was searching some few words to know the meaning of the words in a German language. So he searched and he got some words. He went straight to the dictionary.com. In a dictionary.com, a site that translates many languages. It means if you want to search some words in a different language, you just write that word and choose the language, and then you will get the word in a different language. It means some words you know that straight means straight, or small means a small one, chota. And if you want to search this word in a German, in a Spanish language, in Chinese language, in Japanese language, then just only place that word, select a language, and then you will find the result. As seen Robin is doing for his father. Robin no longer write letter to his cousin. Take care of last Friday. He emailed. See, by the help of computer or by the help of a smartphone, Android phone, you can also use email. You can also write a letter and transfer to other person in few minutes or few seconds to know how is he or whatever she is doing, he's doing. Okay, each and everything, and you can. It also email also have to communicate. He emailed 4 of them in Boston, Frankfurt, Singapore, and found the corner in Mumbai itself. See, by the email you can forward these message to other countries also. The best thing about email is that easier to use. No envelope, no stamp, no walk to post office. See, if you want to post a letter, firstly you write a letter, then you will go to purchase the envelope and a stamp, then go to post office, then you will post, and after that that person will get the letter after a few days. But email is just easy. You write a letter and forward to that person, that will get letter with a few minutes or few seconds. You can email anybody, enemy, friend, pupil you have never met or seen. If you want to post, see, in email or in social sites, you find some random pupils which you have not ever met with them or you have seen them. You can also forward to those persons also. I have already explained letter in a detailed way. Please check that video, by which you will get more knowledge about the letter. Now, then one day, through our Robin's friend discovered the funniest joke site. Funniest joke site, it means jokes, all you know. Funniest joke site. All he has to do is send a joke into a search engine. Search engines are a kind of searching things in which you can search each and every things. Access the site, select a joke, key in an email address and click on send. It all appear as you wrote it yourself. See, if you do like this process, you are sending the joke, it means it visualize to that person that yourself write a joke and forward to that person. Saturday and Sunday are reserved for video game. They have already decided Saturday and Sunday for the video game on the computer. Robin's favorite are Need for Speed and Mortal Kombat. At time he plays chess with me too. See, chess is very important game and it is a boosting or sharpening game for the mind. So I suggest you all to play chess and you will definitely find some interest. It is a mind game and you can increase your brain power. He is not interested in cards game through. I have grown quick fond of Robin and I guess he's fond me too. The other day he went to his friend's house and emailed a rose to me. I looked at like this. Some symbols. There are some symbols by which you can draw like flowers, some small, some smileys, some other things also, by which you can help to send these all things.